Most Shopify stores have no clue how to measure if a promotion worked, so they default to the easy question. Did revenue go up? But with free gift with purchase, that's only half the picture. So discounts and gift with purchase, GWP, aren't the same thing. Drop the price, conversion goes up, and it happens fast. That's natural. But a free gift works different. Not about changing what someone pays, it changes how the purchase feels. Look at revenue alone, and you might miss what's happening, at least underneath the surface. You might think it flopped, when really it's nudging a bunch of small decisions that stack up. So, first thing to watch for is conversion rate. As more people are finishing checking out once the gift shows up, even a small lift in that offer is killing hesitation right at that decision moment. So number one with free gift with purchase, we expect to see conversion rate get bumped. And then with AOV, obviously we want that to go up too, but most people are looking at it a little too broadly. They're looking for AOV to climb across the board. You want your carts, the subtotals, the value of your carts, you want your carts clustering right at your gift threshold. So if they have to spend $100 to get a free gift, then success would look like, a lot of carts during that time jumping from 80 to 100. Very specific behavior change in that segmentation that we're looking for. It's one of the clear signs that a promotion, a free gift with promotion, is doing its job right. And then third is our attach rate. How many people are claiming that free gift with purchase? How many of our orders during our promo have the free gift with purchase discount applied, or the free gift with purchase product in cart? If a big chunk of qualified orders are claiming that free gift with purchase, the offer's visible, it's understood, and it's compelling. Where the missed opportunity comes in is the thing that no one bothers to measure with their free gift with purchase campaign. And that's what happens after the purchase. Retention is what makes or breaks Shopify stores. If customers come back and make repeat purchases, that's what really drives the revenue and moves the needle on your Shopify store. So do gift recipients, do these free gift with purchase adopters, do they have a higher lifetime value with your store? Do they have a higher repeat customer rate? That's where gift with purchase separates itself from discounts. A discount gets someone to buy once, right? If the only reason they bought was because it was at a discount, they don't have a reason to come back. A well-chosen gift makes the experience feel better. It gives them an emotional reason to like the store, like the experience, and to come back to the store and make another purchase because the customer feels like they got better value. Free gift with purchase. I made a purchase, but then they added this thing in for me. The value of what I received increases. So the gift does more than just support the first purchase. It starts the path to rewarding loyalty. So when you start thinking about gift with purchase in this way, now the right signals are going to start appearing to you in the data when you're thinking about it. And inside our app, Promo Party Pro, you could track several of these things. You could track how often the gift gets added to cart, the add to cart rate, how average cart value shifts when the campaign is live. That gives you a much clearer picture than just watching revenue move with a free gift with purchase campaign. After the fact, all right, that's when, that's the second half of the story. That's where things really heat up. That's where you want to track post-purchase rate, lifetime value. Can you string these free gift with purchases together, once a month for a weekend, 5 days over time to get people coming back to increase that repeat customer rate, and really move the needle on customer lifetime value. And then ultimately, the full unit economics, the KPIs, your bottom line in your Shopify store. Ultimately, putting it all together with gift with purchase, we're going to have it upfront change behavior. In the moment, more carts are going to hit our goal average order value threshold. More people are going to convert and purchase, and we're going to have happier customers overall. But then, long-term, customers are going to keep coming back and buying more. That is the power of free gift with purchase. That's what we do with Promo Party Pro. Check it out. We've got a free trial. Give it a shot in your Shopify store, promoparty.app.